مرحبا الساعة everyone. شو أخباركم؟ الحمد لله. So today's class will start with the word أنا Gad'ha. So who can tell me what's the meaning of Ana Gad'ha? If you know the answer, please.
Yep. It means I'm capable.
Excuse me, are you registered to this class?
The official language of the United Arab Emirates is Arabic. But how important is it in a country where a majority of the population are expatriates, is it to learn Arabic? I mean, everywhere you go in this country, there's English. On the signs, at the stores, whatever service you want. So what is motivating people here today to learn Arabic? Let's find out.
So for me, as Dubai is my home, to understand local culture is actually to be capable to understand local language.
I decided I need to grow up, so I decided to learn Emirati language to make my dreams true.
And I learned Emirati Arabic because I love it.
I've lived here for many years and I got to get deeper into the culture and learn it better.
Me being from the West, coming to the Middle East, there are a lot of misconceptions, and I see the more I get to know the Arabic culture and language, I see that they're warm people. You're gonna fall in love with it as much as I do.
I'm learning Arabic because I'm born and brought up in UAE, and I would love to spend the rest of my life in UAE.
So I want to ask you both, why did you start this institute?
I want people to feel home. I want them to feel connected to the place that they live in.
To build a bridge between cultures.
I love it. My father told me a story about a man who moved to the UAE 20 years ago to work. He would only socialize with members of his own community. He would only communicate with members from his own community. And he left to move back home not having learned anything about the culture or learned anything about the language. And for me, that's a sad story. Because when you move and travel to other countries, it's an opportunity to engage with new people, to learn new things. It's an opportunity for you to grow yourself. And you are able to take that back home with you. All those lessons, all those memories, and what you do with that is you make this world a better place. Because you educate, you inform, and you've built bridges that will last forever. Much love!